morning, everyone. Welcome to day 11. Excuse the hair. Literally just woke up. Hi. Hi, Mama. Where's the light? I thought I heard you. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Oh, are you still sleepy? Are you still sleepy, baby? Oh, you're so cute. I think she's sleepy. She's still half asleep. She can't comprehend anything. I think she's confused. She's like, why are you petting me so early in the morning? Wasabi is up. And let me show you guys something. She literally woke me up. She's insane. Oh, she most likely does not like that. In this enclosure, while I go ahead and I clean out her actual enclosure, see this yellow thing? That is a sugar pop, and she has been chewing on that like crazy all night. But what she did to wake me up is that she apparently was eating the sugar pop in her wheel, and literally 20 minutes ago was trying to run with it in the wheel. And you literally see her, I'll go ahead and post the clip. You see her contemplating, like she doesn't know what to do. She wants the sugar pop in the wheel. That noise all night, but that's fine. I can sleep through that. What I can't sleep through is the through the wheel. And you just see her contemplating. She doesn't know what to do. She looks at the sugar pop. She looks at the opposite side. She doesn't know what to do. So you just see her jumping, trying to get some exercise, trying to run, but really she's just jumping, and it doesn't work out. At least she didn't gobble it up. One time when I first got her, she literally gobbled up the second one. This is her third one ever, because I realized it's all sugar. It pops, which is great. Well, it pops so that I know that she's actually chewing. But anyway, she's less hyper now because she is about to go to sleep. So hopefully she doesn't stress me out and try to get out. She hasn't been able to get out of the enclosure, this specific enclosure. She has never actually ran away. But I put her inside her playpen just in case she somehow gets out. I have some time with the blankets and some barriers to help me out and get her before she runs away. But it hasn't happened yet. But just in case, you never know. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this time to clean up her enclosure. I'm also gonna put this peanut in here, unless she, oh no, there's a peanut on this side. So I'll put this inside her enclosure as well. She's like, what do you want, Mom? I'll put this here. She's just not interested. Oh, you are interested. You wanted to see what Mommy did. Let me have you guys get a better look at her. Hi, Mommy. No. I did not want you to get out. And there's like some treats hidden in this little kebab. So I have different ways of occupying her. Most likely she's gonna end up sleeping inside this little house in front, because that was the house that she initially loved and she slept in. She doesn't really like sleeping in that house, although she is in there right now. I'm sorry, Wasabi, you can't really burrow too much in this little enclosure. But once I put you back in your original enclosure, you'll be fine. And there we go. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, clean this up before any more time passes. Actually, I'm surprised. I literally, there's no bedding, no hay. This is a first. There's usually bedding and hay on the floor. She most likely fell asleep because, as I said, she likes to barricade herself. She likes to have some kind of barrier. I think she slept. Let's see. Oh, she definitely fell asleep. Subby. Let's see if I can lightly wake her up. Subby. Yeah, homegirl fell asleep, guys. She woke up to the sound of the door closing. Wasabi. 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 Yeah, she was trying to move it. Hi, Mama. Do you want to come here? Do you want to come into your clean enclosure? She's like, Mom, I'm tired. I'm sleepy. Come here. You're so funny. Do you want to come here? She looks so tired.